morning, students. Welcome back to our online class for today. Okay, so today is Friday, August 28, 2020. So this is the last day of the week again. Okay, students. So according to our schedule for today, we are going to learn from Blueprint 3 and Writing Bright Book 2 for the second session. So this is the first session, and in this video, we are going to continue our Unit 6, Transferring, and this is new unit for you. New lesson 2, change school. Okay, so in lesson 1 we have learned already about looking for a school. So in this video we are going to learn about change school. Alright, so everyone, change school can be the top decision, the big decision for every student. So you may spend much time and money on this also. So if you cannot aware with if you cannot aware with this situation, teacher recommend you to have some discussion with some people that you believe that they can give you some advice related to change school. Okay, can be your teacher, can be your parents, your friends, or some people that you trust on them that they can give you some advice for this situation. Okay. Alright, so now please open your book to page 78 altogether, students. On page 78, so please have a look at part A, model conversation. Alright, so what you have to do over here, teacher would like you to spend 5 minutes to listen and read to the conversation. Okay, so are you ready? So you have to listen. You have time 2 minutes for listen and 3 minutes for reading. So let's pause the video, listen and read to the conversation.
Track 29. Hi Martina, how are your classes?
I'm really not happy here. I'm thinking of changing schools.
That's a big decision. Why aren't you happy?
They offer limited programs here, mostly law or fine arts. I'm just not interested. It's so hard to stay motivated, and I don't want to fail. I want to study physical therapy.
Well, you'd better do some research on other schools.
It's so intense. I get stressed out. I don't know where to start.
That's okay. I can help you. Let's have a look at some websites together.
Thanks so much, Leo. You are such a good friend. But right now, you'd better get to class. You've already had a few warnings about being late, right? Let's meet in the library after lunch.
I'll see you then.
Okay, good, students. So have you done with your reading already? Okay, so if you're not yet finished with your reading or listening, you can replay the video or pause the video. Okay, good. So now teacher would like you to have a look at the word have a look. Okay, have a look at the word have a look in the conversation. You can see here bold word, the black phrase over here, the black phrase in the conversation said by Leo. That's okay, I can have you. Let's have a look. So let's have a look. What does it mean? Let's have a look. So to have a look means to read or see something. Okay, this is teacher can say that this is new phrase for you as well. Have a look means to read or to see something. Okay, all right, very good, students. So now let's start with the conversation. So let's move to part B altogether. Teacher would like you to spend time 1 minute to read all of this. Okay, all of this vocabulary. After that, teacher will tell you about the definition all of this vocabulary. Okay, good. All right, so let's start with me. Listen to me, right? Statistic, TESOL, environmental science. Again, environmental science, physical therapy, warning, fail, intense, intense, limited, again, limited, intense, fail, okay, fail, warning, physical therapy, again, physical therapy, environmental sense, TESOL, statistic, okay, students, repeat after me all together, statistic, TESOL, environmental sense, physical therapy, warning, again, warning, fail, intense, limited, again, limited. Okay, good. So, okay, students, so let's get started with number one altogether. Statistics. What does it mean, statistic? So, yeah, statistics, it functions as a noun, means collecting data from the study, okay? Collecting data from the study. Number two, TESOL. What does it mean, TESOL? So, TESOL, this is the short word from the phrase, okay, from the phrase teaching of English to speakers of other languages, okay, of other languages. So this is the long, this is the full word, okay, the full phrase for this word. Again, so TESOL means teaching of English to speakers of other languages. Okay, good. I mean, teaching English to the people that can be the non-native speaker. Okay, non-native speaker. Okay, so number three, environmental science. What does it mean, environmental science? Okay, so environmental science is an interdisciplinary academic field. Okay. Number four, physical therapy. What does it mean, physical therapy? Okay, so physical therapy, we talk about the treatment of disease or the deformity of the physical, such as massage, okay, such as massage or exercises. So yeah, means like this. Number five, warning. Okay, so warning means to advise. Okay, giving advice to be careful about something. Number six, fail. You know already, fail. Fail means not success. To not success with something. Okay. Number seven, intense. Intense means stressful. And number eight, limited. So limited means not too much. Okay, not too much. Again, number eight, limited, not too much. And seven, intense. So this means stressful. And fail, not success. And warning, advice to be careful with something. Okay. Physical therapy. What does it mean, physical therapy? Physical therapy means the treatment disease or deformity of physical, such as massage, like this, such as massage. Number three, environmental science. Environmental science is an interdisciplinary academic field. Number two, TESOL. TESOL stands for Teachings of English to Speakers of Other Languages. Okay. And number one, statistics. This is the collecting data from the study. Okay. Right, good. So students, so now repeat after me all together. Number one, statistics. TESOL. Again, TESOL. Environmental science. Number four, physical therapy. Again, physical therapy. Physical therapy. Warning, fail, intense, limited. Okay, good students. So now the last activity that teacher wants you to do is that match the words with the correct definitions. So the definition is in the book on page 78. So open your book to page 78 altogether, then you will see. Number 1, warning. Number 2, fail. Number 3, intense. Number 4, limited. So let's match this to the correct definition from A to D. Okay, let's do it now. Number 1, warning. Not too much, not money. Not to be successful at something. Warning, advice to be careful about something. Alright, so with the letter C. Number 2, fail. Fail means not success. So to not be successful at something. Okay, with the letter B. And intense. Number 3, with the letter, okay, stressful, with the letter D. Number 4, students, limited, not too much, not money, not much, not money, okay, with the letter A. Okay, so that's all. Do you understand? Okay, now students, so what have we learned in this video? So today we learned about part A about conversation, and you have read about the conversation already. And students, what does the phrase "have a look" mean? So have a look means to see, or to read. Alright, and you have learned about what? About some vocabulary from 1 to 8 as well. 1, statistic. 2, TESOL. 3, environmental science. Physical therapy. Warning, fail, intense, and limited. Okay, good. So thank you so much, students, for watching, and teacher hope to see you guys on the second session. Goodbye. Please have a nice breakfast.